Breaking news, YouTube just doubled the monetization requirements. So YouTube has just made it harder for new creators to make money. So if you are currently trying to grow your channel toward monetization, you need to know about this update, which will take effect from February 2027. For many years, one of the major requirements for joining the YouTube Partner program and earning advertising revenue has been 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 valid public watch hours. That's 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, 365 days. But YouTube has just announced that beginning from February 1st, 2027, the requirement for new creators will increase to 1,000 subscribers and 8,000 qualified watch hours in 12 months. That means the watch hours just increased by 4,000. So normally you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to qualify for monetization. But from February 2027, you're going to need double the watch hours. Still going to need 1,000 subscribers, but you now need 8,000 watch hours for you to qualify for YouTube Partner Program. And if you're someone who uses shorts a lot, you're going to need 20 million views on shorts in that same amount of time to qualify. So normally there are two ways of qualifying: 1,000 subscribers, and either you have 4,000 watch hours or 10 million short views. But now you still need your 1,000 subscribers, but instead of 4,000 watch hours, you now need 8,000 watch hours, and instead of 10 million shorts views, you now need 20 million short views. You don't use both of them, so you either use the 4,000 watch hours, which has become 8,000 watch hours, with your 1,000 subscribers and you are qualified for monetization, or you use your 1,000 subscribers and your 10 million short views, which is now 20 million short views, and you're qualified for monetization. Okay, so the question is, why has YouTube suddenly changed the monetization rule? YouTube says the creator ecosystem has grown significantly since the existing thresholds were introduced, and the platform wants the program to better reward creators who are consistently driving engagement and views. Okay, they also said the shorts ecosystem has also changed dramatically. So what it generally means is that people are meeting the requirements faster than usual. Okay, people are getting a lot of watch hours, generating watch hours easily, both in short and in the long form videos, and they see that this calls for an adjustment in the criteria to be able to reward the people that are consistent more. Okay, so some people can just go in there, post one funny thing, and in 1 or 2 days they get the monetization requirements and they're monetized, while others who are actually doing something consistently are getting spent a lot of time before they reach that threshold. So YouTube is trying to make sure they reward people who are more consistent than people who just drop and leave. Okay, so they increase this threshold so that people who have real engaging stuff are the people who will easily get to that point. Okay, so if you are currently monetized already, you don't have any problem. That doesn't affect you. Okay, but if you are trying to be monetized, then you have to do so fast, because once it's February 2027, you may need to double your efforts. I mean, if you had 3,800 watch hours before February, at February you don't just need 200 watch hours to complete, you now need 4,200 to make up. So if you are currently building your channel for monetization, it's better you hurry now, do it fast, and get monetized before February 1st. If not, you will need to do double the work to get monetized. All right, so what I'm saying, if you currently have 4,000 watch hours, and if you are currently having 1,000 subscribers and close to 4,000 watch hours, work hard to make sure that 4,000 watch hours is complete so that you'll be monetized before February 1st, 2027. If not, when it gets to that point, you will need 8,000 watch hours to be monetized. All right, so if you've been delaying, I will start my YouTube channel later. It's better you start now, because you may not have the time to meet up the targets once it's February 2027. And also, as time goes on, the monetization rules are going to keep changing. So it's better to always start early so that you won't fall victim of double efforts. All right, subscribe to this channel, like and share the videos to all your friends and everyone who needs this information, so that as you're learning, they're learning also.